So, hi dear Scorpio, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a no contact reading for all the Scorpio Sun, Moon, Venus rising from today till the 23rd of March. Roles can be reversed also and not resonating, not your story. Want to be a reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions? You can check out the description box, you'll find the links below. For the best healing modality of the whole universe, Ho'oponopono masterclass link is given below. So, let's start. Scorpio, the person that you're no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see what we have. We have the Knight of Cups, the Two of Cups, and the Sun. Oh my God, this is somebody who's deeply in love with you. They feel like they should come forward towards you and sort it out with you, and everything is going to be fine because they still see you as their happiness. They still see you as their soulmate. They feel like they should come forward towards you with an offer of love, with message, communication, apology, and clear the air with you because you are still the one for them, especially if you guys were married or committed to each other or something like that was there, like this was a very serious situation. So this is someone who feels like coming towards you with some kind of love offer with all of their heart and soul, clearing the air with you because they still consider you as the soulmate. Very beautiful energy. Their feelings are really open, really beautiful. Their heart is completely open towards towards this particular situation. And even if physically they are trying to move on and let it go, energetically with all of their heart and soul they still feel for you very deeply and they still consider you as the one for them. Very beautiful energy, very beautiful feelings. Lovely. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, honey, Scorpio? We have the Eight of Pentacles, the Seven of Wands, the King of Cups. They don't want to do anything about it. They just want to feel the love. They just want to keep the love within themselves and they would just want to keep moving forward in their life. So, according to them, this is never going to work out. No matter what they are going to do, no matter what they are going to say, no matter how much efforts, how much energy they are going to put in the situation, it's never going to work out. So, what's the use of even going in this direction? So, they just want to keep their love, keep their energies, keep their feelings to themselves, and they just don't want to do anything about it. Their intentions are very clear that I love Scorpio, I feel for them, but I can't do anything about this situation. I can just like keep the love in my heart and soul and let it go because this is the only thing that I can do from my side. Scorpio, right now, they are in this somehow, somewhat helpless energy of I know, but I can't. Okay. Okay. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the 23rd of March. We have the Six of Cups, the Death card, the Hierophant. This person is heading towards spirituality. See, after ending this situation between you and them, this person is so much in this energy of transformation and transformative energy, Scorpio. They're refusing to come back to the normal world. For most of you, this person is heading towards spirituality, like finding a guru or mentor or somebody who can help them to break the chains of relationships and detach and do something in their spiritual world. For most of you, for others of you, it could be very much possible they're ending things with you for good and they're heading towards commitment or marriage with somebody else. Maybe their family, maybe traditional values, maybe something that is kind of not forcing them but telling them to go towards something else or someone else in a very um not I'm not getting the exact word here, Scorpio, but this is someone who is ending this chapter with you and straight away getting to another marriage, another commitment. If they were already married or committed to somebody else or something else, they are going back there. If not, there are very good chances that they have cultural background, they have traditions to follow, and might be their family is kind of telling them to go ahead and in that direction and they're following their family cultures or traditions or values. But for most of you, this person is heading towards spirituality by letting go of this situation because they got to know that there's nothing that is going to make them happy, or there's something in them that is teaching them detachment, teaching them how to just grow vertically instead of like wasting their life like this. Okay. For you, the guidance here is the Eight of Swords. Instead of making stories in your head and hurting yourself, Scorpio, try to communicate properly with this person and clear the air with them if it is possible. If not, and you know the situation is over and done and gone, just try to accept the situation for what it is instead of making scenarios and stories and things that you know are might or might not be true. Living in any kind of mental jail is not going to help you in any way, Scorpio. It's better to accept the situation for what it is. Again, don't make stories, don't make scenarios that is going to hurt you only or harm you only down the line. It's better to just let it be. Hmm? Yeah. So thank you so much for tuning in, Scorpio. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.